Where there are people, sustainable interiors makes a lot of sense. The first certifications of buildings were public buildings, a lot of them schools, and that provided opportunities to educate. The expectations of this generation are higher in regards to responsibility and the responsibility to be sustainable with a building or an environment. What everybody's concerned about isn't just creating a healthy environment, but creating one where folks feel they are taken care of.
A lot of people think they know what it means to have a sustainable environment as far as the amount of water that your building uses, the amount of electrical output that you have in your space. But it's so much more than that. It's about creating a healthy and comfortable environment for people to be in.
With sustainable interiors, we're talking about access to natural daylight, access to fresh air, individual occupant control, just a lot of flexibility in how people work.
We're noticing more and more clients are specifically asking that their buildings have these certain systems in place. In some of our recent projects, we've been implementing the use of more natural materials that can be readily available.
There's a lot more attention being placed on the materials that go within the building. Particular attention is being paid towards volatile organic compounds, but there are a lot of other chemicals and agents that are equally important to consider when we're evaluating what products are going to be used on the project. The type of products on sustainable interiors projects are flooring, wall surfaces, paints, ceiling systems, the lighting fixtures, the furniture are all considerations. Even our choice of light fixtures has an impact on employee health. Fluorescent fixtures, for example, will contain mercury and heavy metals that are of a long-term health concern. This is one reason why we see a move to LED. In addition to its obvious benefits for energy efficiency.
Different light levels work for different people. There's been a lot of studies that show that the warmer sometimes the color temperature, the more it can feel like the outdoors and the more natural sunlight that we're all used to seeing on a day-to-day basis. People that have the ability to interact with their environment and feel maybe some of the elements you might have in the exterior of a building now on the interior leads to higher productivity, higher worker satisfaction.
We can knit the exterior of a design with the interior of a design to make it seamless. It provides a unified design that feels thought out, comfortable.
What's important is that we engage our client in the design process. We bring to them some options to align their goals with sustainable strategies that make sense for them. Oftentimes, that results in a certification.
The reason I got involved in Green Globe's Sustainable Interiors program that was actually tailored specifically to the scope of the tenant's work, whatever that is. They addressed the speed to market because the assessor has been engaged throughout the project.
And as an example of that, the Hudson building, we were able to certify our project. So right at ribbon cutting, our plaque is up for Green Globes, and it's great to be one of only 2 projects in the United States to achieve 4 Green Globes for sustainable interiors.
So Green Globe's certification process is a good way to make sure that things are done in terms of follow through with sustainability strategies. So holistically, a better project results.